All right, I got the GLAKER Professional Hair Clippers and Trimmer Kit. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Let me show you what you get with this. It looks pretty awesome and pretty heavy duty from what I've been checking out. You get an actual barber's cape, you get a comb, you get the duster brush. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Let me just show you real quick. You get two different trimmers in here, and they are both, this is a heavy duty thing right here. This is this feels solid. It's got some heft to it and feels really durable. It's got a little textured side right here, so when you're holding it in your hand, you got a little texture to hold on to. You got two different set of instructions, one for each of these clippers that you get, the large and the small. So now I've shown you the large clipper. Here's the small clipper, a smaller version of this, maybe for a beard trimmer or so forth. And the best thing about these is that they're rechargeable. You plug it in right here. It comes with a charging cable for each of them. Plugs into the bottom, and you can plug it in and recharge it via USB, which I think is a pretty awesome thing. You get this lubricating oil that comes with it. You want to lubricate these. Obviously, you don't want to run this thing underwater. You just want to hit it with some oil. Just to show you on here, comes with a little cover on it, a little blade cover. It's got a taper guide right here that adjusts the height right here. This stuff feels heavy duty to me. Look at that. And, it's got a little on-off button on the side. When you get this, when it ships to you, it's protected with a little cover under here to keep this from turning on so it doesn't drain the battery on you. And like I said, this is rechargeable. If you charge this up for 3 hours, it'll work for 5 hours of runtime, which is great. So basically, you're just going to flip this on, and it's not very loud at all. And it gives you a little display in here to show you where it's at in its charging cycle. And this arrived to me 100% charged. It also comes with 18 different guides. You just hook it over the top, snap it into place, and it's good to go. And you can see the taper guide works with the taper guide too. Like I said, all the way from 1.5, that's the left. It's got a left and a right, an A and a B, all the way up to these big guys right here. 32 millimeter, 38 millimeter, and it all fits away nicely in this package. There's no carrying case that comes with it, but it all fits back in here pretty nice. And the box is really sturdy. It's shipped really well. And you've also got three trimmers, three trimmer blades that go on here. And the trimmer blade also has protective cover for the blades, so that's pretty cool. Each of these trimmers too has a little hook on the end of it, textured feeling on the inside of this smaller trimmer. Just give a size comparison. Here it is. This is the larger one compared to a bottle of water. This might be a hard plastic on the outside. This top feels metal. It feels really well put together. Something like this would be great, obviously, for cutting the hair for the whole family. Kids, summertime, cut the hair short. Perfect for that. Great for trimming your beard right here, or great for doing the trim work with your haircuts, I guess. So if you're looking for a professional trimmer kit, 18-piece trimmer kit with lubricating oil and rechargeable trimmer kit. 18 different pieces, 18 different guides on here for your hair. Check out this one by GLAKER. Check it out.